They don't break again. I will just check calendar. Or check the calendar and say today on the 20th day of the month. Which month is the day? The month of September 2019. And so time till they fly, they go. My brother went and say the back of the bottle. So the press of the bottle is now wow. So the time do it 20th just now. That's not Ben and the wow. And so the time they be, time they move every day. When we turn on calendar every day, we don't even know. Somebody called me say whether we should say the day is the 24 hours. So the way it anyway, now it depends on what you do. Now I'm going to determine whether the time they fly or not. Guess a kind of place when you could do, you could just look and say, now wow, time don't run, go now. Guess a kind of place when you say you could do, you can look and say, this time not just they move at all. The time they move according to 24 hours. When we say by God, wow. My name is Thomas Ado. I say welcome again to our program. Good morning from Benin. All of us there this morning. All of us did to make sure say yes, if we do the thing, then the way it's supposed to be for you. Like we know now, here your weekend. Different starts. Emmanuel Akbololoho. Emmanuel, I greet you. We never see a face. We never see a face for some time. Hilary Odia, Nusa.
Morning, sir.
Go for special assignment.
Okay. But doctor, you say go for special assignment. Welcome back on the special assignment.
Thank you, my good morning.
So, how was the special assignment?
He don't come, he don't go.
Okay.
Now they come, now be the threat with day.
Okay.
Once you don't start,
At the end
at
of the
the
book
end,
now.
we go reach. We thank God, say God give us life.
Okay.
Give us that enablement.
As they look the end of the whole thing, now we don't say wahala there for South Africa then. You understand? Wahala don't start. Less than the end we don't say now. Sote, Nigeria don't pack they come from that side. Different things the now be say the matter come born. But the question we're going to ask ourselves now, we say, what will be the next step after these people don't come? Maybe I'll start for me, Mark Bololo, because I say we'll start the program today.
Well, I thank our brother, Nima. I know
The airpiece, Oga.
Airpiece. We make every Nigerian at least get color. Because from, on this program 2 weeks ago, I felt to say, this issue of South Africa, we'll come discuss it for you. As at that time, the issue of the plight of the returnees, now we'll come to discuss. And it's gradually coming to that. If not for the airpiece, now the 2 times don't go down. We never will see
3 times.
3 times. We never will see federal government plane. Say okay, federal government plane can go assist.
Federal government get plane.
Or the arrangement
Federal
say
government get
the man just go there, go just the assist, live in their private business. May we commend the spirit of patriotism, and may we also tell Nigerians say, as far as we are concerned, God don't put us for this country. Make everybody pay a quota. As a pastor, as a man, as the governor, as president, as everything. Make we render selfless service.
You know,
any particular place when we say we know say we add value.
Make we add. Before you go far, make I tell you one thing. You don't say that man they call National Assembly.
Yes.
House of Reps. When they be so you go there, they talk to the man. So before they read the order of the day, Nagbajabi Amila speaker say, me they wait first, they get special visitor for the house. And they usher the man. Even most of the members don't even know. So no one say the man they come. They say no answer. They don't even say the man they come. And they welcome the man. So when they come talk, the man was crying, they shed tears. Yes. You see, he never seen this kind of thing before. So no, in the office yes, make it just stay play to use your word that may just contribute to your quota to the whole thing. So he has never been this honored in his life. When tears they pour come out for your eyes. You know, that's sort of say, so now me just talk about this thing, so now me just do like it for so, you know. And one good thing now, they say yes, the National Assembly also say they want to make recommendation, make the federal government they get national honor. Apart from that, if the federal government, the quarter can jokingly, that now, but say the federal government no give her the honor, so they could give them their own honor, and the way they know the way be. All these are ways to encourage somebody. But just like you talk, Mark Bololo, that's man when they talk just now. Oyema, the owner of Airpeace, not only gets airline for this country, number one. You talk about pastors and the rest just now. How many pastors we know when they get private airline? How many of them they use for this kind of thing? How many other commercial people when you get commercial air? How many of them bring their own as donation?
Because we get over 20 Nigerians we get private jets.
No, when you talk over 20 Nigerians, say if you reach 100.
Yes, over. I say over.
Yes,
we get private jet and yachts. They receive this kind of embarrassment. And my brother, before we come back to the second phase, Nigerians make we also look at. You know the kind of honor what is the country to Nigeria? Do you know that at the end of the day, the thing sends some kind of signals to the world
Yes.
that the South African government now come apologize. You know before now, they know they apologize. When they don't do anything like they don't believe say they have done it. And even the statement and the comments when they come out from some of the authorities of some of the heads of ministry and government in South Africa, it was not something that we can. But at a point, it now sends some kind of signals to South Africa, to the world, brought Nigeria into the map. That the plane they already did. They won't say they bring Nigerians to South Africa. As we speak now, I think from information we gather say that even South Africa airline they go back empty as in their normal, normal lift
people they go again.
Normal flights now. You don't they go empty. They send society now. That's why the man have to come and publicly send people to come and apologize to Nigeria. I think the Arab Republic, Tanzania, and most of those African countries, Malawi and those African countries will say he did. That na role when one human being just play. Just not be say anybody tell her. But there are people who are richer than this man in this country who just kept quiet and did not do anything.
Emmanuel, now I pray I go they pray for you every day of your life. Amen. You know why?
You never tell us.
Before I go the special duty where you send me, I talk and hear say we get government we not dey responsible to in people. You say why I go use responsible?
You say me use responsive.
Man use responsive. Now I ask you say responsible and responsive. What will be the definition? Not the English word. Not be they play out now. Me and you argue this matter. You not reach a week. Now the xenophobic attack for South Africa begin to bring head come out again. It not just start yesterday. It not start last month. It don't they happen since. And Nigerian government they are aware. They aware. They talk one word. Even the Abike Dabiri now will be the commission of will be the data of diaspora commission. She talk one word, no. You know what waiting? You see, now first we fall. Now make small goats begin to climb, say in our expert. Make the goats go climb prison wall with this apple road. Since 1999, when we begin do election for government for this country. Federal government, state government, local government. Make you look at how many years 1999 did from today, from 2019. You dey see say we dey pek below according to how you go always talk. We dey pek below, no focus, no foresight, no direction, nothing. At this stage of our lives as Nigerians, now in South Africa, well, their own matter. I go talk to them in a way where we say they'll go think of their life. Picking on when not know where from the come, definitely not gonna know where they go. South Africans forget their yesterday. I don't want to center the issue or say Nigerians with the key. Other African countries, they were all aware of the matter with before South Africa some years back. Where even my father, as a civil servant, they deduct him money.
Yes, now they get special.
They deduct my papa money.
They call them apartheid contribution.
The owner of this place where me and you they talk was a key player in all those matter. They deduct my papa money for South Africa. South Africa.
Not say owner of this place. Say Sir Chief Gabriel Benito play big role.
Yeah, exactly.
Not just the owner of this place.
Now where they go? They forget where they for come yesterday. So I expected Nigerian government to use hard stick to run South Africa. Not be joke.
You know.
Now, Oga, no, and they talk. No, see, no, my brother Thomas.
That's not chairman of APC talk another day.
My brother Thomas. My brother Thomas. South Africa too small. We go do. They're too small. They're too small. We go do these things to their African brothers and sisters. Waiting now. Waiting happen. You never see Nigeria will be director of bank for South Africa. You know go fit. Then they complain say Nigerians, other African countries they can't collect their job. Which job? You sabi do the work now. The other person comes to work.
They're not ready to do.
You're not ready to do
the job they're talking about. They know what do.
You know what do. You see person where they do. Now hot job. Now what they do there. Now hot job. You they complain. South Africa, other African nations, citizens they can't carry your women. Your woman blind. Your woman know what is good for her, and I choose. Then we get government wey keep quiet. I expected my president, His Excellency, President Muhammadu Buhari, to walk all of them out when they come to apology. Now, if na me be president, na wetin I for do be that one. I go walk them out because the matter not start today. Since the matter they go on, the xenophobic attacks, they kill Nigerians, they kill other African countries. You hear South Africa government come out one day, say they kick against them.
God replace the owner.
That minute to talk say they plan am. They plan the whole matter. It's a cool case to run us down. Giant of Africa.
No, sir. God replace the owner of APC.
No, wait for me.
If not for this attempt, they were not ready to apologize. They were not ready to. If you see the Minister of Defence now, I mean Minister of Defence,
they defended
you see the kind of,
yes, now
defending the action.
Yes, in fact, defender.
Play there, they have acquitted Nigeria. But these guys don't take another level. That's where they started to look for other different means to make sure they even
the evacuation.
They say, hey, anybody will come up from South Africa, come back. If they go back again, they go burn for 10 years. Blah, 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 blah. You say, man, will come out. Will they come out now? You say, man, will not go again.
Ima, even the evacuation, me even see am as a very wrong one. There are processes for international law where Nigeria for seek to make sure say they nail South Africans as a nation.
Yes.
A nation that will pick up arms against your people. They kill your brothers, they kill your sister. If our president, Pikin, de South Africa, said this thing happened to her. If for the laugh, they receive South Africa delegate. I think for the laugh, they receive them. Not until it happened to them. They're not going to know how
okay,
it feel.
Gentlemen, make we look at this way. In as much as I feel una pain, I understand so you did very pained about the way our brother treated that side. I understand you did very pained.
You need to watch the videos on internet. You not watch the videos.
Wait.
They put fire for human being body.
We see many of
They use stone, they hit human being. They are police. They are security agents. Stand.
They look.
Stand. Then when Nigerians come and do reprisal for here, our police even kill Nigerians for Lagos.
Meanwhile,
you not be aware.
Meanwhile, they foolishly they watch one program called whether BB what we see they waste our credit. They vote.
They take a vote
for their own company.
See how they do us. Nigerian government.
Two things I said the Senate, House of Rep, Nigerian leaders, we have to see that. Remember I told you last week. The right of this what do you call it? This all these satellite broadcasts that we give to the two of them now, DSTV and this thing is a South African company. No, so
DSTV and GoTV.
GoTV. They are South African company. Till now, because of stealing and looting that we have not been able to have. If for instance say we drive DSTV and GoTV now, we don't get anything.
See, make we tell ourselves the truth. Most of us know they patriotic. You understand?
We are still voting.
We even know.
We are still voting.
I'll tell you one thing. Do you even know that DSTV when they talk about so, and Nigeria they pay the highest rate?
Yeah, of course.
Nigeria they pay the highest.
Across the whole of Africa. The whole of Africa.
Nigeria they pay the highest rate. And what's happened? Now here I talk about patriotism. Because some Nigerians never go tell they say yes, maybe they increase the whole thing and all of that.
So everybody not need to watch satellite.
Okay, go look at where they call them now. Afar when I Begori, when Fed do Chief Justice of Nigeria,
yes,
you see the role when we say play
for this
ID,
former Chief Justice, and they will not do anything.
After I collect 2 billion naira, this thing collected 2 billion naira and the rest of that, we say I do for this thing now. Now that thing I can go join them to open Nigeria, say how do they deal with Nigeria for this matter? I just see where patriotism is.
Chief Justice,
former Chief Justice. Now look at it. We'll come back to this whole matter. We see all of these things. Then when we say don't happen now. What do you want to be the fate of these Nigerians?
We don't come back.
We don't come back now.
You know,
because if you look at our star, Abeke Dabiri, they talk the other time, say they come, say they'll give them 40,000 airtime.
Maybe they tell you start business.
Wait now, give them 40,000 naira airtime. When we say cash, they give them what they call them 9 gigabytes of data. Then they'll give them what they call them 30,000 naira as take go home and the rest of them. I call they wonder, people they won't be wait now. People they won't be they get enough business. For South Africa, when they don't destroy. People don't they get lives, they don't destroy.
Yes.
You give them 10,000 naira.
Yes.
What are the plans then? If you talk about say federal government no bring all these people come, federal government never get plans to bring them come back before.
No.
Now until when it be say people like Tiwa Savage, because they no go play for there again. People like Burna Boy say they no go there again.
Burna Boy say no go ever enter there till he die.
So many other people come they talk, so hey, they no go do it because they come they gather, gang up against South Africa because federal government come talk say yes, say this kind of thing when we say they happen now, our people when we say this where did that side for this what do they call this economic forum? What they want to do there? Say what they say we are not going and all that. We are not going and all that. Don't carry go to the Mayfield. It already did there. Rufa, it already did there. Eze Kwesili don't go there. Don't say she go now. You understand? That governor can't define me. You go there. Then they call this man Jim Ovia. You go there. You understand? All these people want me say they don't already go. Even federal government delegation don't already go. The where were you? When we say allow them, they go. Now when people like Mark Pololo, Victor Rio, Thomas Ado, and Hilary other colleagues just say we not go agree for this guys when they happen. Before we say yes, you cannot say you go tell them when they come back.
What we expect, say federal government of Nigeria will send delegate to South Africa. Take roll call of all Nigerians who did there.
We enter there legally.
We did there legally. If go illegal, if person do your country illegally, you go repatriate them.
Okay.
They're not saying you kill them. No law saying you kill them. Federal government will send delegate go there. Everything will happen. All your property, you come. They attack you. Yes. Wait till they destroy. Take inventory. Write the amount. Your own. Take everything. South Africa government, Mona Siamo. The destruction wey una people do, the lives even not be waiting wait now not be waiting we go fit return back but that lives wey una take we go meet una go discuss that one later. We go discuss but all the damages wey dem don do to properties as South Africa government una ready to replace them.
They were supposed to say they won't do any compensation. I mean no.
Yeah.
South Africa government
say they no
was quick that first week say they won't compensate anybody. Nigeria I think as at is it next week like as on 24 there is this United Nations General Assembly that will take place.
Nothing on the 24th. Yes, the president they go to
the president say he no go bring the matter come here. He said he no go carry the matter go there. Say Nigeria and South Africa go fit settle the matter.
He say he no carry the matter go there.
Yes, I want to say so. Say he go carry to there. There is African Union. He didn't bring the matter there. Now
the carry the matter go.
Yes. Meanwhile, South Africa is proudly saying they won't compensate Nigerians for whatever they have happened. Then I don't know. I think with all due respect, Abigail, just do your work. We know say if you come up from that office, you know get another work. So now the work you do, I don't blame you. I'm not sure that Abakari they let Abigail every day seem separated. This they are covered with it before because now just what no that's true. Now what is she?
We hear say they fuck about.
I know. Now what is say no? Abigail she don't get what she wants to. So just to save her job, she can just come on air and say it. If not, as I told you yesterday, I listened to her interview. He said some state governments are already
handling some
of them, helping them.
As if it's the responsibility of state government.
Will give them 20,000. Then some state government are ready to assist them. Then the Bank of Industry is ready to do something. Then they have tea, they have bread, they have water.
Can you imagine somebody talking? Person wey don lose millions of naira business. Wait,
you see the level of decadence in Nigeria.
The level of wickedness.
I told you of how an Edo boy got
yes, with a woman, American woman.
They were going down and the girl dropped dead in Lagos. Lady, you don't born pikin.
Yes.
That same night.
Yes. American government come to pick that dead body.
Okay. These are Nigerians that came back from there. The federal government had no plan for them.
Okay.
Just the same way, I will tell you, they abandoned Libyan returnees for Edo State government and other people.
Yes.
Because right now, now the Edo State government, now they try to say, make they help Libyan returnees. They came back and the federal government had no plan for them because they are not carrying arms like what do you call it? Herdsmen and terrorists.
Like terrorists, they are not carrying.
They are not carrying arms like what do we need guy from another time? Because they are not carrying arms, they not doing anything to them. Are you listening to me? Because they are not carrying arms. You see what Zamfara government is doing. You see what Katsina government is doing. You see when they are carrying herdsmen and bandits. Because of how they carry
there was even a public outing when we say some of the bandits they carry guns.
Yes.
The governor stood with them. The pictures there for everywhere.
Yes.
You understand?
But soldier was not holding anything.
Okay, man, wait now. You know, say all this one are the problems when we say the thing don't burn. You understand? Now, what will be the next thing now when we say we expect government to do? That is the
my brother, I want to tell you. Federal government of Nigeria not get anything to do.
We don't already.
They're not going. We don't already know, so they're not going to do anything.
One, right?
You know the effect of the returning of these South African Nigerians.
No, you never tell me.
Now armed robbery. chaos, fighting, bandits, breaking and entry, rape, kidnapping. That is what they will subject themselves to. Because we don't get anything here. Now you make in the first place where they come off for Nigeria, go South Africa. Electricity they there now.
24 hours.
24 hours electricity. If they want offer, they go let you know say they want offer, we want quick do something. Less than 30 minutes, you don't come back. Nothing. Make everybody when we ready to secure our lives. Because person where they beat, you know, we say make you not cry.
Okay, wait first now. You know, all this ones only happen, we know. But in this case now, we don't say people they come, no arrangement for rehabilitation. Yes. However, they won't put the no, it don't they setting.
Yes.
Because me, I know, say, even if as a political, as a, what they call them, asylum seeker, in Europe and America, once they catch you or you go there, they don't say, they go put it for some year. They'll take care of it.
They revand you, they give you money,
and the rest.
Yes.
When we say, later they will look for work for you and the rest. Before you will come find your own feet and all that kind of thing. Because this one's now that these people are coming. Something drove them out of this country before.
Yes.
Because maybe they don't feel they don't.
Because electricity is not there.
No, maybe they don't.
Government not responsible to the people.
You wait now.
Road not there.
You wait now. Because you say what they look for, they don't get work and the rest that they went. The job when people don't come in, they come back. Are the jobs available now?
For where? Where are you available?
They are not available. The certain business when they get, they now to make you come. It
go
conducive enough to do that kind of business. Not day. Let's say ourselves the truth. National Bureau of Statistics come the other day. It bring out the number of jobs when we say people don't lost for this country. It bring out the number of people that when we say yes, say they are jobless and the rest. And they tell us how they
increase
every day by day.
Yes.
So by the time people come, like the number has increased.
It don't increase.
So where do they go?
They will look for ammunition, look for how to rob, how to do kidnapping. That one will call increase the threat, the problem we will get as a country.
You see,
how can federal government? I told you that in this program, they were killing Nigerians. The Senate and House of Reps were on recess.
They were on recess. They don't talk about emergency sitting.
They were all. If you want, almost all of them.
Reps came now.
Almost all of them. Which they come?
No, reps came. Before that time, they come do what they call a press briefing, come condemn the action.
It's
they came.
My brother Thomas, you know say this xenophobic attack, it is more than a year. Yeah? You know say it's more than it's not 2 years.
They did press briefing and left. Has that contributed to anything?
Anyway, see,
they were honoring Onyema. What they call Onyema? They were honoring the owner of SPC.
What are they
talking enough? What about our returning?
What is the what I try to talk now? All these ones now, they already they behind us. We already see all these problems. Now, what will be the way forward? In this case now, what is going to happen? What is going to be the fate of these people now? Because people now, maybe they just call. Whether they will profile, they will not even know now. Maybe your call they profile. Okay, even after profiling, what happened to them? Everybody don't go home now. How do you bring them together? How do you set them up and all of that? You know what is the back of industry want to do? How much are they going to give to them? Are they going to give them loans? If they give them, where are they going to invest this money?
Federal government they create one ministry. At the fee say, where would they get it wrong? This kind of problem, they're supposed to get ministry. We're going to handle it. I bet you that Abike Dabiri doesn't have access to Mr. President. So even when she comes back,
see, Abike Dabiri, when you
so she could not talk to
you. May you relax. Abike Dabiri is less than the minister.
Yes.
And when the ministers were sworn in, Mr. President told them to be interfacing with Abakari. You understand? He said they should be, nobody should come directly to him. Yes. You understand? So if somebody that is lesser than the minister, they say maybe minister no come. That's why they come see him.
So at the end of the day, there's a lacuna. Abike Dabiri when she go come, even I understand. I just want to help peace. Now you carry am free. Then they follow go. And not just even allocation day.
Because you short people, like people supposed to go to go short their space. Anyway, inside the program, I see the waka. The God that is the way we will talk. And when we come by this matter, we will know how we'll take closer. We will find solutions to all of these things. We will let us know how the program the waka they go. So we will talk about this roads they were there for our country now. When they complain that I see the roads, they say them bad. We go see Warri Sapler Road. Make you see the way the thing be. You go here. When you go see that federal road, Benin, Auchi, Abuja road, you go hail. And now the minister when we say they in charge Fashola, he said we just dey talk say government don't approve. He say how much? They don't award contract, don't award contract. Or they don't approve so contract. He said whether would they ask how much government don't release. We go look at this matter at the time they go. We go see look at the rain when we say fall for Benin and the kind of effect when we say they. And again, one matter when we say we start last week. That will be say get to do with that school when we say grass grow and the rest. We go let us know the latest for that matter when we say we dey. And don't forget matter when we say people they when we say they contact to us our guests they go still come talk about the presidential tribunal judgment. We want looking for the legal angle. We said last week we looking for the layman angle. So don't go anywhere. Stay with us. We'll take a small break. We'll come back continue for where we say we stop.
We come and talk about approvals here. Yes, I come and approve because it's in the budget and we must implement the budget. So when we get the approvals, that's only one half of the story. The other half of the story is that we don't get all of the cash. So your investigation must also go to how much is being released against how much is approved in the budget. And that's what gives you the real picture. In our end of year plan, we are waiting to get money. We haven't received any money since I came. So some of what we're doing on goodwill and a reputation that this government will keep its word. They say some monies have been approved since we came. It hasn't reached us. There's still paperwork also because you also want to see transparency about how the money moved. So this is democracy. This is the price.
You hear what the minister talk. He say now one thing, if they laugh, say now one thing, he say they give approval. No, me talker, the minister by himself talker. He say, but we know the full and say
whether they don't fund down.
They don't fund down. Say they no fund. He says it's when he don't come back to work now. He never get one error. Take work.
Well, the minister is correct. Now we the accused, and I think we need to do more.
You know they accuse me and you.
Yes.
If they accuse me.
No, he say accuse journalists.
Okay.
He say
we do investigation. He say we only hear for approval. Did we investigate to find out whether there was any money released?
Okay, in an ideal situation for country where they function, not when you approve finish, you release fund. Abi? That means in the talk say in boss now.
No, they do
what he's supposed to do.
Yes.
So
that's the truth.
If you look at this one now, you see this Benin Lagos road.
Yes.
You see Awuchi road. You see this Warri road and all that. How we want to get now when there's no money, nobody releasing money. That's how we go to suffer and they go.
Yes, so we'll suffer. We'll suffer. Now waiting we price for market, now we buy. We'll continue like this till the next 4 years end. You don't understand me? For a minister now, a very senior minister, a very senior member in the executive council.
But it's the truth now.
Yes, he don't talk the truth now.
They talk that time. No, he say no something like.
So we go pray now. We go pray. We go pray.
Lie to you. He tell you the truth.
I'm happy for him.
He tell you the truth. How you go blame him?
No, he not me happy for him. Say he even feel bold. He both to come and talk say once they approve they award contract.
Say money no dey, say money no dey tell am.
No, there's no money. I mean, they no release.
They not release money. Which one be there's no money? They get one month where they not they deduct your tax. Which one be there's no money?
No understand. Fatola they tell you say see where the whole problem dey.
Say they not they release money. Not be say money not dey.
So in this case now, the question I ask just not be say, now so we go the day.
Yes, and I can't say yes.
Because if you look at most of these roads now, when I don't mention now, Benga, maybe when we go break, I will play some of those tips. Benga, Ahmed, he come that they show us Warri Road. People complain say they spend days.
Not the people.
See, if people were travel, go there and they spend days before they reach the end.
What did they do now? Say you go play. I think it's Adeji. After Adeji, get
Adeji, you go use that take cross that area. Make the motor also use speed pass am.
Enter keke. As I do for today, na keke you go enter. I think 150 be 200.
Before you go reach Saple.
Okay.
To reach Saple.
Go to reach Saple. You no fit. The motor no fit even cross.
You no go fit.
So from there now you can't go that motor.
Another motor.
For as I do for today, you no even cross. The vehicle couldn't even cross.
So
that one has state.
Then why Rio? I say why Rio? Why Pololo? Why Lado call they blame the minister? Say you get minister for there, you no go do anything because you not talk and that and say you say the ministry when they give the matter too big.
Too much. You don't now he talk come out now say they not they give him money make it work. So now he talk come out. Just as we still talk for environment matter for Edo State that time. where Akpololo he drive one matter reach front. say whether we know whether they KIV the project. So federal government, you don't talk now say federal government they KIV the money, the funds so they're supposed to release to take do road for citizens of this country.
So by implication now, to get budget now.
And the blame us no be replacement because ordinarily by the Freedom of Information Act, we supposed to get out any information.
Freedom of Information Act wey dey function for where? They go give you. They go give you.
How approval go dey, money no go dey.
Make they pray now, make they not give
so
paper.
wrong thing.
Make they not give paper. Say go talk that kind
So
of
the wrong thing they do now. They blame the ministers.
We don't open hand now.
And the you do that, they will just say maybe.
I tell you that.
Exactly. You know the guy money say work.
Small break. We'll come back.
This something you say.
We'll go break. We'll come back. We'll come back. Continue for where we say we talk. Don't go anywhere because it matter. We'll still look at rich grants. Stay with us. Things they be and many things they happen, and the ones when they be, we talk all of the one after the other at the program they work out they go. Last week here, if I'm not mistake, we talk about remember now one school, Owegi Primary School, when grass don't take over the place.
They don't clear them now.
My brother Victor, those now go fair help us go that side, go bring those things. You see shows one that thing. Make we see what TBC they happen for that. Owegi Primary School because we get it when we say we need to learn. The last time we visited Victor Rio go there, my brother could just say small when Victor Rio go there now, wait till you can't see now this one. But just imagine now, say grass grow rich like this. You understand? But we thank God now say yes, say something don't they happen and all of that. That's not sure you say yes, say we they talk here the time say if he good, we go talk her. If he bad, we go see talk her. You understand? So we show and say yes, say this school, say Owegi Primary School, say grass don't take over her. And we can't go there about 2-3 days later because I say they declare the place and the rest. You go most talk and say yes, say this thing because whether we like them or not. Now so the east of the society will continue to bring a come out and say it would make correction. I remember one time when Bisi Osumbo come as governor of Edo State. You get one thing when Bisi yes, say he want to do. They commission some projects. He come bring they say if they bring a come no ITV, they could not see the ITV because say ITV, they could not see say wetin e be say they do because our eye go there for everywhere. So Mark Ololo, what you want to talk for this kind of development?
Well, it's a good one. We only pray say may they sustain Commissioner for Education. May they try to say or other Commissioner for Education.
No, na the Oredo local government.
Whoever they in charge, may they say how they will still sustain this kind of thing because where our children they learn, we're supposed to make a little bit habitable for them. At least where they carry water, they drink, they do all of these things. Make snakes and scorpion. Not figure they fight them.
Because if you really look outside, whether we like them or not, you know, they right say like you mentioned, tap there for that place. The grass don't grow cover the tap. And children they go the fresh water. If reptiles and that thing come out for them,
you go there harmful.
You're there, they're very, very harmful.
Well, make we also not forget say they just return from holiday. I think this is now the second week now after our resumption. No, wait now, wait now, Ima. When children, if those children, if they clear as they clear that grass now, those children begin they play around during break. That grass not go grow. Now the holiday where then go, now make grass grow. So when we expect say government suppose don't clear the grass before the children resume school. Now that be the issue. Say grass grow, not be problem. You don't understand, but they don't they do the work now good enough. Make them learn
the same thing now at the top.
Yes, make them learn to do something at the right time.
Okay.
At the right time.
If you look at now, this Owegi Primary School is not the only school.
Oh, man, it's a lot.
So they like that for where they call her for a go.
Even some schools, there is a primary school where me even go. I drive past there yesterday. Now let the feed, night grass not there.
Okay.
All behind the buildings, grass. Even they don't talk to forest.
Okay. And that one.
Don't talk to forest. And that they already do too.
Okay.
I
sure say yes. Say no matter what it be, say they happen. Before we take another matter, before we come out now. The local government chairman, he don't already see this one. Because I remember when a Rio go that time, go cover this thing, come. You understand? So he come back, say, see what he see there. Very bad. People will just say, yes, now only the bad one now be say we
see. The good one now we see bring
now. We come as so.
Of course.
So you know, so no matter how you do,
who they say we do the bad one?
No, so bad.
When when they do road for out,
we talk here.
Many good things they want to talk now.
when Okpewolo dey even dey do road dey do federal government road na God go bless you God go bless you.
Either the local government chairman or maybe a director of works abi one thing abi education abi one thing they no dey monitor all these schools well because that one suppose to be function of local government say na them e dey under. So no expect say na ITV go first of all go check say grass dey for school.
That mean say ITV dey do im work now.
ITV dey do im work.
Yes.
For ITV come dey go first before ITV come go now you don identify am say many other primary schools.
E dey like that.
Dey
You know wetin dey there me I even like am like that. So ITV go get more work when be say.
To do exactly.
The other woman dey clean ground the other day when I